Right guys, off work today, so I'm going to do a bit of cooking. I think I've maybe cooked this before for you, but we'll try here. I'm going to cook some chicken curry and some noodles and rice. So we'll see how it gets on. Okay guys, this is the recipe for the ingredients for today. We have some rice, which is going to be today, it's going to be Caribbean rice. We have some noodles, which is curry noodles, so there's curry already in them, which is good. We have one onion. We have some veg, some mixed veg, and of course, we have our chicken. Okay, first thing we're going to do is obviously cook the chicken, because it takes longer to do, so we'll cook the chicken first, and we'll get it going. We'll cook the chicken until it's nicely white. And then after that we will add the onions. So guys, the chicken, as you can see, is starting to turn white, so it's getting cooked. So now we will add the onions. To give it a nice flavour. Chicken and onions is beautiful. So, next guys is the mixed veg. So we've just heated up some water and we will now do the mixed veg. It usually takes about 20 minutes for that to do so. And we'll let it boil up. So that's going nicely. Next is the curry noodles. And as you can see, I've already put the curry sauce on the top. So all we have to do is add water. And then I will stir them, but that's more or less they're ready just to be sitting. Okay guys, that's the chicken and the onions are finished. So we will now start to mix everything together in a big pot. So we'll start off with the chicken and onions. And next we are going to add the Caribbean rice, which is nice and spicy, give it a nice flavour. Give it a quick stir. Yeah, very nice. Now, as you can see, the noodles and the curry is really nice, so we'll add it now. Two of them. And we will start mixing. So all we have left to add is the vegetables. And now last of all, the vegetables ready, we're going to add the vegetables. And we will give that a nice stir. And that's it, finished. So we just have to let that sit. And all that remains to do, guys, is to put them into these tubs, because there's obviously too much for me to eat at one time. So I have got 3 tubs here, so we'll fill these 3 tubs up. It should be good. So there we have it, guys. Chicken curry noodles with Caribbean rice. That's for 3 dinners for later. And this will do me now for tasting, and it looks and smells delicious.